What is up everyone? Okay, so today I'm going to play a full face makeup using all Charlotte Tilbury, and so if you are interested, then keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to start with the magic cream. Okay, so I have here is the deluxe size. Okay, okay, there you go. Because I just want to try out to see if this cream works for me. So it actually comes in a lighter form, so but I still prefer the original formula. And then I'm going to actually proceed with this Collagen Superfusion facial oil. Okay, so for this I'm going to actually just use just a few drops, and whatever that's left I'm going to do at my neck. Okay, so I have tried a few of their skincare, and to me it's okay, it's not that bad, but will I buy like the full size? Maybe not. So besides the magic cream and this collagen serum, I've tried the magic serum crystal elixir. Okay, crystal elixir right here, and then this is the magic cream lightweight moisturizer. Okay, so I'm going to proceed with the primer, and I am using the Wonder Glow, okay, Instant Soft Focus Beauty Flash. Okay, so I have had this for a while now. Okay, so I'm just going to apply these all over my face. Okay, so the next product that I'm going to use is this one, the Beauty Light Wand. Okay, it's highly raved at Sephora because it's almost sold out every time I wanted to get. Okay, so you can actually tell that I actually use quite a lot. This one is like gold punya tone, and this one is like the rose gold, which I normally use. Okay, cuma dia punya fallback is that I have issue with the cap, so usually it's like that. So I'm going to just take some on my ring finger, and I'm just going to apply the area where I need. Okay, so usually I'll just put it like around here. Okay, one thing that I like about this beauty light wand is that you can actually use it like underneath makeup or on top of makeup without feeling too macam streaky. You know, it blends so well, and I really love it so much. Okay, so what I'm going to do today is I'm going to use this underneath my makeup. You will definitely see the difference. And yeah, I'm just going to put lightly because this is so blinding. Okay, I am going to do swatches. Okay, once again, I don't really like the punya tape because I find it so difficult to control. Okay, you can see it's very blinding. Okay, from the light somehow. Wow, I love I love the rose gold one, but both is fine actually. Okay, let me show you. The gold one is right at the top, and the rose gold one. Okay, it has like this like you can close and switch it off, like okay, lock it, you can lock. Okay, so this is how my face looks like. It's a bit blinding, a bit too much, but it is okay. You do not need to worry. Okay, so now I'm going to just apply some lipstick onto my lips. Okay, the one that I'm using is in the shade Supermodel, which I really love, the nude. Okay, it's not exactly a nude lah, but then it actually complements my lips. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to proceed with my concealer, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I am back with concealer. Now I'm going to proceed with foundation. Okay, so these are the two types of foundation that I have from Charlotte Tilbury. So the first one is the Flawless Filter. Okay, and the next one is the Beautiful Skin Foundation. Okay, so these two, I'm not too sure what I'm going to use today. So what I'm going to do now is to actually mix them, so you will definitely see, or maybe half-half, I don't know, let's just see. Okay, so this Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter Foundation, if I actually just read from the review, okay, so it's a full medium coverage. Okay, so It's a customizable complexion booster for super stylish skin in seconds. Okay, so I believe you can actually use it with or on top of other foundation. So with that being said, I'm going to just mix it with the beautiful skin foundation. Okay, so but first I'm going to do swatches. So this beautiful skin foundation, mine is in the shade 7 Warm Shade. Okay, so this is how it looks like. I'm not going to zoom in because it's not going to build it. Okay, better. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Okay, so I have a thing for pump, but this doesn't have any. But just okay, one thing I like about this foundation is that it has that macam glowing specs, which I really love. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Okay, so I'm just going to mix these two together. Okay, and this is in the shade 4 Medium. Okay, let's go. So I'm gonna put this foundation first. Okay, at the maybe at around this area. Okay. Okay, so this is how my skin looks like. It's pretty oily looking, right? But relax, chill, breathe, trust the process, right? Okay, I'm going to use a beauty sponge. Okay, I'm going to take my ring finger and apply at the area that, you know, I need more coverage. Okay, like the acne scars, at around this area, you know, just to add just a tiny little bit. And using a beauty sponge, I'm going to dab everything together. Okay. And bring some of the foundation to my neck so it blends everything. But if you are wearing hijab, you don't need to like blend at your neck lah. Okay. Okay, so it is definitely looking very oily or greasy right now, but so now I'm going to actually use the powder, Airbrush Flawless Finish Complexion Perfecting Micro Powder to just set my whole entire makeup, my foundation. So just not so much. I just want to, you know, set my foundation. Okay, I understand that Charlotte Tilbury came out with a new set of powder that has a hyaluronic acid in it, and I'm actually looking forward to try that one as well. So let me know in the comment section down below if you would want me to try out. Anyway, I'm still going to buy lah, I'm just saying only. Okay, so now it doesn't look too much of the greasiness. I'm going to actually proceed with the next step. Okay, so now that I'm done with my eyebrows, I'm going to proceed to bronze up my look, and I'm using the one from Airbrush Bronzer, a matte bronzing filter, and this can actually be used for your face and your body. Okay, so I'm going to take like any brush. So I'm going to use the one from Sigma HD Bronzer, and I'm going to take some. And this is in the shade, yeah, medium as well. Okay, so I'm just going to bronze up my face because it looks a bit too white. Ni macam flat gitu muka I. So I'm just going to bronze up my face. It's okay. For me, I prefer to use like bronzer or any shades like this kind of brown for my eyeshadow if I'm not planning to you know, use a lot of eyeshadows today. So I'm just going to use it for my crease area. Okay, and then I'm going to do the same for my lower eyes. For my nose. Okay, so now I would like to use like one of them. So the one that I have here is the bronze garnet for green eyes. I'm not sure. Or this one, Pillow Talk. Okay, because I realized that I bought these two and I don't always use them. Okay, this is how it looks like. It is pretty interesting. So I'm going to take some from the back of the cap and I'm going to apply it all over my lids. Okay. It doesn't really like capture a lot, as you can tell, which is okay, right? Okay, so it comes in this kind of frosted glass. Okay, so I'm just going to take a bit and I'm going to show you how it looks like at the back of my hand. As you can tell, it is not too blinding, so which is fine if like let's say you want to use it like for like all over your lids. Okay, or a base, if that makes sense. Okay, so I have already done so and I'm going to proceed with the next thing. Or maybe I'm just gonna try this. Okay, pencil. Okay, so once again, this is called bronze garnet, and this is how it looks like. Okay, I'm just going to line my eyes using this, as I don't have any intention to use any like macam black punya eyeliner for the eyes. Okay, so I am done. I have already applied my mascara, like baked my face and things like that. So I'm going to proceed by using this eyeshadow luxury palette of Pops. Okay, so I'm going to actually use the lightest shade for my brow bone. Okay, because I don't intend to do a lot of eyeshadows today. Okay, I'm going out in a bit. Okay, I'm actually quite late, so it's okay. Okay. Okay, so it has like this green shade which I really love. Okay, but today I'm just going to use the brightest shade. Okay, so while I'm still baking here, I'm going to use the blush, and this is actually from Chic to Chic Swish and Pop blusher, Sex on Fire. Okay, so this is how it looks like. I really love this blusher so much. Okay, so I'm going to apply like so. Okay, I'm going to apply like this. Okay, I'm going to dust off the powder, and at the same time like blending all any, if there is like any harsh lines, I need to soften it. Okay, and if there is like any blusher that is a bit too much, I'm just going to make sure that it is perfectly fine before I leave the house. I'm going to use the setting spray, and you can actually tell that I am almost done. Okay, and this is also a best-selling punya product. I'm done with everything. So before I put on the highlighter, I'm going to actually use the setting spray first. So now I'm going to use, this is actually quite new, and it's the Beautifying All Over Glow highlighter. And after I already, once it's like almost set, not set yet. Okay, so this is how it looks like. This is actually the second, macam it's not the, not the lighter shade, right? The range, there's only 2 types here, so I'm using the one that is not too light. Does it make sense? Okay, so with that being said, I'm going to apply it on top. Okay, so once I'm done, I can either reapply I punya lips. Okay, I can reuse the one from the earlier one that I used, okay, which is the Supermodel. Okay, which I really love. Okay, and the next I'm going to put on top of my lips is the lip gloss, and it's in the shade Refresh Rose. Okay, and I love the wand, it's hard. Okay, so I love that it's minty, so usually I tend to go aboard. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I do apologize for the lighting. I do apologize if I look to my right. I'm still, trying out again, like restart. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe to my channel for all new releases, incoming releases. Okay, so let me know if you love like this background, and if there is any like brand that you want me to try. Do comment in the comment section down below. And with that, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Okay, bye bye.